touch him, Zaya. Man. Are you, Hakim? Mama later, how she go? Why? Me can't.
Top girl.
People say my cuss me because
No, is it true, people? She have her mother birthday party and never invite me. She
no,
mother come.
guys, we are on quarantine lockdown. The Prime Minister said 5 people. You understand?
There was more than 5.
No.
More than 5.
Are you saying wicked? You know, see 5 people and you only see mommy alone.
You have to turkey neck.
Oh, master. You're not gonna make them beat me out here. No. Guys, I was trying to dye my hair a feel. I was trying to get the blonde so I could put in the fire red. Yeah. You walk and friend everybody. Yes, as I said, I was trying to get the blonde right so I could put in the fire red, but it not come out blonde, so I'm gonna try it back later again. The blonde fire ready. Yeah. Fire gone inside. Listen, if you don't see me come up back with 2 months, but don't not say no.
No, that's your first child, but them are ding dong and pang.
No master, people don't watch my vlog, you know. Jesus Christ.
So me keep my blood clot here. Me said, damn.
Oh, you're bad, so.
When girl bad them.
Ding dong and pang.
Lataya! Lord, this need card. Hey! Bacalao! People! Wait! People! So Akeem tell us to drive, right? And we roll again at the people in car.
What's that? That's mama!
No, sir!
I told her. But I think I'm just I didn't drive.
Why you do it?
I didn't drive.
Why you do drunk, right? No!
But not a Jamaican. Every Jamaican want big space. One own bedroom. One this, one that, not this.
Yeah, my friend, she rented a place for 3,000. Dead. I said, girl, you don't have to do that.
And is she alone?
She alone.
Yeah.
My rent is 2,000. It's me alone. My come with everything. Light, water, internet, AC, everything. So,
She had that.
because if I have to pay light, water, internet,
Same money.
it will add up to same money.
Yeah, more or less.
So I just pay that. And
That 2,000.
Check it out. Check it
Yes. Some things like this. Which one? Oh, yes, sir.
Me can't see over the rest of the
Oh, let me see it. No, I'm close. I'm close. Fine in. Hey guys, what's up? Mom, what listen me please at me. Yes guys, so it's a Saturday morning and we're heading to the market. Hey guys, so as I was saying, but did have to pause it, the thing a while ago because the music would have passed some music. Anyways, we're heading to the market. Mom in a wine and camera because she shouldn't look good. But at market we are going stuff, I don't know why she are. Watch me. Come on guys. Yeah guys, but at market we are going. I don't know why mommy don't want in the camera. I don't know market run go already. Not just up. Come on, we get across. Wait guys. Yes guys. So as I said, we're heading to the market. So, guys, I'm starting when I actually start already my diet. You know, look at dieting, you know, a girl have to work when the summer body, get the summer body. So I get some stuff in the market to make, like, you know, my healthy smoothie and them stuff because I'm trying my best to cut off of the rice and the flour, you know, the bread and them something there. Yeah, so heading to the market to get some stuff, guys. Yeah. Because I start already, I like a morning time I make sure and drink my apple cider water vinegar. I don't eat anything after 8 o'clock in the night. What else? Oh, I've been exercising, yeah. And I'm so proud of me because I'm very consistent with it, like almost every day. If I say every day I would be lying, so almost every day. And in the morning, I make sure and do. Yeah, in food, I got them looking one. Yes, yes. See, that I threw away. Alright. Yeah guys, so it's a lot of rain. It's rain right through. Stop and get the fish. Yeah guys, so we're reaching town but it's a whole lot of rain, so we stop and get some shelter. So as I was telling you guys, yeah, girl start her diet. I wanted to show you guys when I start the process, but I don't know why I never vlog that. But yeah, but you guys will see though, because I have like before and after picture, and trust me, I'm seeing a great result. About 2 weeks now I start. Yeah, about 2 weeks now I start. As I said, I drink my apple cider water every day, every morning, sometimes before bed. And I've been working out, but I still eat like flour, I still eat rice, I still eat bread and stuff. But now today I'm going to try to cut off that. But what I say is right, even though I still eat that, I see a great result. I'm seeing so fresh. Yeah, I'm not saying that right. Girl belly are going down. So you can just imagine when I start eat the right way. Then I just imagine. I can't believe we walk out of the house and I bring no umbrella. Probably could he come from morning too? Some of them are money to Mama Rich because we are chat with the guy. Hey guys, so we're inside Pennywise getting some stuff. And a man said, which one? The one with the... See, I one of them the up there, so. This, that. No, I lie, you know. Oh God, my master fall down. Right, so I'm up Kellyanne.
I didn't see what it was. Come on,
So I'm my bike. Man. 5 for 10. Not no bad. But then look a little bit too.
I say 5, 10.
I have to go look back for
The coat is, how I know this?
this is cauliflower.
Drop it in there. After they come,
What's up, you know?
what it look like them square?
No.
Oh yeah, side!
How much?
5%. Well, guys, the market is a freaking. The market. Well, guys, the market.
Yeah.
Man, fuck. Look good, guys. Look who got up and good body laughing.
I've been a vlogging now.
You're in a video look good enough time already. I think me I tell Mummy she don't want to come in and vlog.
Anyhow, don't you close.
No, but me say it's impossible to look good all the time.
Yeah.
Tell the truth,
Which
you know.
is right. Yeah.
I want Mama ya shop around. You know,
Practice by your mother here and thing. Everybody are trying to look at you now. You know.
yeah, guys, the market is a mess. The lady pass coming one time and I'm vlog, yeah. And you that think so the place not full up due to the rain and fall and thing, but the people them come out. Them come out. Hey guys, I'm getting better at the braiding. Would you believe I did my own hair? Yeah. Now I get better and better at it. The rain. The rain for me. Now we're going inside Chiwang. Get some stuff. Mama look miserable.
Right, pay up to the no.
The day it's very hectic. We can't get a decent vlog, guys. Can't get a decent vlog. The rain and the place just a lot. But right now we are in extra food. Okay. And me alone can't wait for the place to open. Period. Oh my God.
It's the beginning of something new.
Period. Yeah.
So I'm officially started my new lock journey.
Yeah.
So I decided I'm going boring black. I'm starting with the pop.
Nice, the natural reddish.
Mm-hmm.
But what color it is though? What?
It's supposed to be a kind of
Bright urban.
It's supposed to be a kind of
But you don't say different from the color with the box.
it's
Different.
Huh?
Look on the color on the box. It's kind of a
No,
brownish look.
this is not the color that I keep telling you.
Manda.
I'm telling you, girl, show me the color of the hair inside the in the pharmacy when I went to buy it. She have a whole thing with all the colors, and she showed me the color was supposed to be something. The color was supposed to be this. Yeah, it was a little more browner than that, not too much.
But the color there no none of the three of this.
It's still come on that.
Yeah, but that look nice though. That's a one you want to see it on the camera. Well, you see it on it's nice. That have a nice red color.
Yeah, come on, it look like a burgundy something.
Burgundy. Nice. Look good. Take him.
I'll be out freshly bleached.
And when you neaten up your ear and thing, oh my.
I feel that's how freshly bleached is really, right? It take on the
Oh, probably when you wash it out for real.
Mm-hmm.
For real, when you wash it out, it'll go. Guys, this is what, 2 years? 2 years, what I got. Yeah. Years.
Almost 2 years left. It's a year and a half.
I see. It's the length for me though. She feel herself, because guys, it's all natural, it's all hers.
Period.
So just take out the extension. Oh, you're so pretty.
Thank you.
No, for real. Look at me again. Unless you didn't neat it up yet. Jesus. Yeah, guys. That's what she's actually feeling.
No, honestly, since I took out my extension, I've been feeling myself more.
Yeah.
Every day I have my hand on my hair, you're tired of me.
Yeah, you're not your own natural. You're Italian, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Italian. That was good then. Yes. Alright, guys, so this is the real color. Final color. Nice, no? Yeah, girl. Nice though. And it fit her color. Yeah. Manda, she love it. You know, long she stand up in front of the mirror. Yeah, girl. I chew it, yeah, at girl pose. And she don't neat it up yet. Walk it. No, fit you. Come up. That's what about, girl. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice.
I know style and fashion enough.
Yeah, you're my friend. Hello. You are my friend. It wasn't planned, guys. Honestly, it wasn't planned. I do when I say great minds think alike.
I always think about it.
Period. Always, you know. Always. Yeah. So, you guys give me some inside ideas, like what I could do. Give me some suggestions. Yes. Remember, it have to be inside because we're on a black quarantine. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay, guys. Purr when it comes to my hip. Purr. Guys are excited. Yo, I'm not saying like, see when I continue like you just practice and practice, it becomes better because I'm not saying like I'm just proud of myself. Oh, my do my ear so neat. Yo. Yeah, guys, but that's basically it though. Basically it. Share, leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please remember to do so. Okay. Alright, guys, so bye.